Well friends, here is the problem number 25. Before going to the problem, let me see the given direction. The given direction is find the missing number in the given matrices. Here is the question. The question is 40, 7, 70, 24, 9 and the missing number 36, 5, 45. Well friends, since this is the missing number and this missing number can be obtained by using these two numbers or by using these two numbers. First what I'll do, I want to find out the missing number using these two numbers. For that, first let me find out the relationship in the first row. That means anyhow I want to have this number 70 by using these two numbers. Either you can add those numbers or subtract, multiply, divide. Whatever you do, you should get 70 by using these two numbers. Now one thing what I'll do, first I'll multiply these two numbers. Let us check what do we get. That is 40 into 7. What is 40 into 7 friends? Of course it is 0, it is 280. But I should get 70. Well friends, when you divide this 280 by 4, do you get 70? Of course, because see, 4 on the 4 7s are what? 70s are what? It is 280. So, I am having 70. That means first what I am doing, I am multiplying these two numbers. After that, I am dividing by 4. If I do that, I am getting 70. Let me use the same logic to get this 45. That means first what I have to do, I have to multiply these two numbers. That is 36 into 5. Okay, what is 36 into 5? 5 6 is 30, carry 3, 5 3 is 15, 15 plus 3 is what? It is 18. That means 180 I am having, that is 36 into 5 is what? 180. After that what I have done? I have divided it by 4. Now what do I get if I divide it by 4? This is what I will get, see, 4 on the 4 the 16, 2 is left, 4 5 is 20. That means 45 I am having. I am having 45. That means this logic is giving me the answer. The same logic I use to find out the missing number. For that what I have to do? I have to multiply these two numbers. That is 24 into 9. What is 24 into 9? Let me write that. 9 4s are 36. Carry 3. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 3 is what? Of course it is 21. So 216 I got. After that what I have to do? I have to divide it by 4. Okay, I have to divide it by 4. Now well friends, see. What do I get? 4 4s are 16 or 4 5s are 20. What do I do? First 4 5s are 20. What is left? 1 is left. 16. So 4 4s are 16. What I am getting? I am getting it as 54. Now let us check the given options. The first option is 40, which is wrong. The second is 36, which is also wrong. The third is 54, which is matching with our result. Therefore, option 3 will be the right option. Well friends, to solve such kind of problems, you need to get the right idea at the right time. And you will get the right idea at the right time if you solve more number of problems. And also if you watch our videos on YouTube channel, that is Students Choice Program. And some of you are maybe having doubts how to watch our video classes on YouTube channel. The simple thing is that go to Google, type Students Choice Program in the search box. Then you will be seen with some results. And one of the results will be Students Choice Program. Just click on that and you will be moved to our channel to watch all our videos related to NTSE and NMMS examination, where you can have some knowledge regarding NTSE and NMMS. Not only that, you will be having some knowledge about some competitive examinations also. Thank you friends. We'll see some more number of problems.